It's time to plan for your future and how you are going to grow on YouTube in 2018. Long-term growth is king, and that's what we talk about today. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. If you're looking for success on YouTube, you need to plan for the future. You need to plan for long-term growth and not just rapid, instant, immediate growth that you might get from if you're very, very lucky, maybe a viral video. Viral videos are 1 in a billion if you are lucky, but if you plant the seeds and water them properly, you can have a jungle of your very own through long-term growth and planning. Now, clickbait can be a fantastic way of getting additional traffic. Now, I've even done a video on clickbaiting up here, but clickbait can be something that gets you immediate traffic that then dies off quickly. It's not necessarily good for the long-term haul. It's the equivalent of winning that lottery. Would you like £1 million now, or would you like £200,000 every month for until the day you die? Makes more sense to take the £200,000 per month because you'll get more in the long run. But so many people take that £1 million. So I'm going to teach you some tips to prepare yourself for the long-term future that works out better for you. Number 1, pick your niche. Now, why is this important? Well, if you get niche enough, you can elbow your way into the YouTube algorithm so the YouTube algorithm knows who you are and what you do and recommend you against other people within that niche. If you are too broad, if you are too general, then YouTube has no idea what you are or what to recommend you against. Now, it's okay to be in a niche and be similar to yourself. That's fine. So if I'm doing YouTube tricks and tips, and then I'm doing IGTV video tips, and I'm doing Facebook marketing tips, they're all within the digital marketing family. But when I first started, I've done 160 odd videos solely on YouTube. Why? So YouTube can learn who I am and that I'm a YouTube educator, and I'm here to educate people on how to grow their channel, their brand, go out there, start creating, making money for themselves. But if you're too broad, and I did YouTube tricks and tips channels, and I did video editing and entrepreneurial things and how to do public speaking and then my own vlog stuff and how to bungee jump and how to tie a tie and how to, I don't know, paint a wall. It's so broad that YouTube gets confused, and so will your subscribers and your core audience. If I upload a YouTube video right now, most of my audience know not only when I'm uploading, but that it's more than likely going to be some form of tutorial within the realm of YouTube or recently IGTV, but very much video making either way. 2, keyword research your videos before you even make them. Why is this important? Well, on my channel, I deliberately went out of the way to make you some videos that will help you. These are frequently asked questions that anyone has asked constantly when it comes to the YouTube channel. How to create a custom channel URL, how to change your name, how to upload videos, how to trim videos, how to add cards, how to add in-screens. I know it's not sexy, but the amount of people that search for those wonderful phrases and find me, then subscribe, then find me and my personality wonderful because they're all here for the man nipples. I'm building an audience, I'm building a community. I now have weird catchphrases. I have people begging me for t-shirts that just says, here for the videos, stay for the man nips. I don't know. I promise you I'll make that at some point, I think. But if you drill down into the keyword research and understand the top 20 questions that people are asking, and you make 20 videos based on that question, you have more chance of finding traffic and people finding you, which means when you do start making personality content somewhere down the way, they're hooked on not only your help, but your wonderful, wonderful face, and in my case, my man nipples. 3, evergreen versus trending. Is there a trend in your niche right now? Is there something that you can tweak and push towards that could hook your content to a current trend and get some kind of lift? For me, this would be YouTube drama, or it would be VidCon, or it would be E3. For beauty vloggers, it could be Kylie Jenner announcing that she's the first self-made billionaire, or the youngest self-made billionaire. Gamers, it could be a new game release, or it could be drama like the gamer dispute that we had a few years back, Gamergate. Right? If you're making content, or if you're reacting to it, or if you refer to it, or if it's in the title and the descriptions, you might get a lift. That will get you immediate traffic now. That's your trending. But for the long term, aim for evergreen content. These are those seeds I talked about right at the start. If there is a trend, fine, try and use it. Maybe even try to tweak it into some kind of evergreen trend. If not, start making evergreen content, those how-tos, those frequently asked questions that everybody's after, those things that will be relevant now and in 3-4 years' time. whether they're little time bombs as well. They could be festive things. They could be makeup tutorials for Christmas and for Halloween and for Valentine's Day. They'll get more views around that period and then they'll die off across the rest of the year. But they are still time bombs that are evergreen for that kind of era, for that search. Tip number 4 on how to grow on YouTube for the long term is help people. How many times have you seen a YouTube video, you really liked it, you found it funny, you found it entertaining, you've clicked off, and then you're never likely to go back to that channel? In fact, you could probably not even name the creator of that channel. You don't even know where it was uploaded. You just saw that funny remix of that trailer or that favourite TV show, and you're done, and you're gone, and you'll never see that channel ever again. In my personal experience, if you help people, they're more likely to go, okay, that was, yeah, I like that. That helped me with my problem and my situation. I'll click subscribe, or maybe even thank them in the comment section down below. Now, I get a lot of thank you comments. I'm blown away by that. I really appreciate that, by the way. Thank you for thanking me. Thank you. I'm more likely to reply to someone because I know that I've helped them, and they're more likely to reply to me because I have helped them. It's a nice feedback loop, and everybody builds a community. If you help people, you can help multiple people over time, and, you know, they feel more connected to you. And tip number 5, it's the ultimate tip, and I've said it thousands and thousands of times. If you're planning to grow for the long-term future, you need to make sure that when you plant those seeds, that you have enough food around them and you water them. And the way you can do that is by search engine optimization or video SEO. That is the titles, the descriptions, the tags, how you promote it, making sure that you translate it, maybe even subtitles. If you make sure that when Google is finally hunting for you, that it's there like a honeypot and those bees are buzzing around, it can finally land on that honeypot and eat all of the sweetness that it's looking for. It could be a fantastic video, it could be that flower that's fantastic, but if it doesn't smell right, then nobody's coming to you. If it's not sweet, then the bees aren't going to be interested. If you want to learn on how you can make your wonderful YouTube videos as optimized as possible, there is a playlist up here. But that is how you grow on YouTube in the long term. For more YouTube tricks and tips, there's a free PDF up here in the description down below. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted every time I upload a YouTube video, and hit that subscribe button for regular YouTube tricks and tips videos. Go up there, start creating.